Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this replacement 5" by 7" headlamp for the Opti-Brite sealed beam to LED kit. Now this light will replace a damaged headlamp from that Optronics Opti-Brite headlight conversion kit. It's part number HLL70HLB-2. That kit we do sell separately on our website. This is one of the replacement headlamps if you need one to replace a damaged one. Now this uses LEDs. They are super efficient, ultra bright, long lasting. They give you about 30,000 hours of life, and of course they have a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. What's nice on this one, they use rear facing LEDs and a metallic parabolic reflector that creates a nice broad smooth beam. Now at the end of this video I'm going to hook it up to some power just to show you what we're talking about. Gives you a low beam and a high beam light pattern. The low wide beam will cover more of the road, and the high beam makes it easier to see at a distance. It does use nice durable surface mount technology, construction of your LED circuit board. It'll help better withstand shock and vibration and allows for improved heat distribution. It does use a nice impact resistant polycarbonate lens, and the housing on it is a powder coated die cast aluminum housing which is rust proof. It does have an IP67 rating for industry standard protection against dust and moisture. The plug on it, it is designed to accept an H4 3-blade wiring connector, which we do sell separately on our website. And this is compatible with 12-volt DC and 24-volt DC systems. It is DOT, Department of Transportation compliant, and this light does meet the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 and the Canadian Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 requirements for automotive lighting. This is for one LED headlamp. It is 12 LEDs on the inside. Give you a few dimensions on this. The overall width of it from one end to the other, it's going to be right at just under 8 inches, about 7 15/16 of an inch. The height of it's going to be 5 5/8 inches tall, and the total depth from the front to the very back, it's going to be right about 3.5 inches deep. Now power draw on this at 12.8 volts for the low beam is 0.85 amps. For the high beam is 1.13 amps. So what we're going to do is go ahead and hook up some power to this. We'll do the ground, and we'll do the low beam, and then the high beam. So with that all hooked up, we go ahead and turn on our power, and you should be able to see the low beam on there. And with your low beam on, we're going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights and give you a good view of that. And then when you hit your brights, you can see that that'll come on and give you a lot more light for easier to see at a distance. And I'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights, turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this replacement 5" by 7" headlamp for the Opti-Brite sealed beam to LED kit.